So we are sailing exactly downwind, dead running. We often shift the jib to the other side to get it away and out of the lee of the mainsail. It's also referred to as goosewinging. A small tip to help keep the boat sailing at the proper course in this delicate position is always take the wheel gently away from the collapsing sail. If the jib collapses, we take the wheel slightly away to the right, to starboard, away from the jib. If the main sail collapses, and you can see it on the upper buttons, they start to fold, you take the wheel away from the boom. It is highly recommended to use a preventer when doing so in strong winds. Keeping the boat sailing dead running on light winds with swell is not very pleasant and a bit difficult.